Coinbase supports USD wire deposits only. No ACH, no international wires in euros, GBP, CAD, etc. Available in USA, Canada, via USD, Australia, UK, and most countries. No fees from Coinbase. Your bank may charge $10 to $45. Get your unique wire details. Never reuse old ones. Log in to coinbase.com, assets, add cash, choose wire transfer. Coinbase generates personalized instructions, bank name, Metropolitan Commercial Bank, or Goldman Sachs, Chalk Cross River, depending on account. Routing number, ABA, account number, unique 10-12-digit number, reference code, mandatory 8-12 character code, beneficiary name, Coinbase Inc. for your name. 2. Send the wire from your bank. Use online banking or visit branch. Wire transfer, domestic USD wire. Paste exact details above, especially reference code, missing equals delayed or lost funds. Amount, minimum $1,000 recommended, smaller wires often rejected. Typical arrival, 1 to 3 business days, often same day if sent before 2 p.m. ET. 3. Track and buy once posted. Funds appear in your Coinbase USD balance. Buy crypto instantly.